our freedom battle, the debate between Gokhale and Mahatma Gandhi. Gokhale opposed mass movement. He felt it is a constitutional model is better, and Mahatma Gandhi made it a mass movement. So in India, public protest has actually drawn its inspiration from the freedom movement. Of course, it is being misused. All kinds of wrong things are taking place. That is why there is no revolution in India. Public protest, though it may look chaotic, though it is a problem for the ruling party, India cannot be ruled like liberal democracies. It cannot be ruled like China. It will be somewhere in between. The liberal democracies do not understand the problems of a country whose diversity is greater than the diversity of the rest of the world put together. And it requires a special mind to understand India. And China has built an architecture which cannot melt at all, and it cannot sustain at all. The sustainability of India was questioned 25, 30 years back. It is no more questioned. Today, what is questioned is the most powerful dictatorship in the world, whether it can be sustained or not. In the West, there is a question whether liberal democracies can be sustained. On the other side, China's dictatorship, whether it can be sustained. But I can tell you the Indian model is sustainable because it allows a certain amount of chaos. And it is the skill of the government, it is the skill of the system which should handle this. There cannot be, in fact, as Galbraith said, India is a functioning anarchy. And what he said was, Indian society is not a functioning anarchy. Indian politics is a functioning anarchy. Indian society is very organized, and some 200 million people will assemble for Kumbh Mela, and nothing will happen. And they will assemble, come and go. But politics is turbulent. Society is not. Unless we understand the civilizational content of the Indian life, you cannot even interpret the Indian democratic model. There will be a chaotic model, but it will all settle. I have no issues at all with these public protests. Say it's a problem for the government, but it's much better to have those problems than to solve it like the liberal democracies or the Chinese model.
Thank you. This is